This is how to log into your college account. So if you're on site, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on any college desktop machine and then put in your username, which is your student number, and the default password which should have been given to you, and then click the arrow to the right of the password box. This should prompt you to change that password as it is just a guessed one, and if you click OK, you can then go to a screen where you can set your own password that you can remember and you are comfortable with. So you're just asked to put it in twice to confirm, and your new password needs to include at least one capital and two numbers, and can't be up as your name or student number. When you're done, click the arrow to the right again, and that will set your password for the next 90 days. And now you can set up your self-service password reset facility. This is so that if you do in future forget your password, you can reset it yourself using security questions that you have set up for yourself. Click there on the bottom right, and it's just a case of choosing certain questions from the drop down and then inputting your own answers. It should be something that's easy to remember, simple to type, I would say. So we'll go for favourite sports team or personality. I'm having Kevin Francis, of course. Then maybe nickname as a youth. And for my third one, place my father was born. So it's quite simple questions like that, things that only you should know. You can't duplicate these answers either, so you can't pick the same one 3 times. When you're done, click next. You get a little review of what you've typed, and you can check that box there just to make sure that you have typed what you think you've typed. Click finish when you're done. That is then set up for future reference. You'll need to just check this document the first time you log in. It's just a sort of appropriate use thing that you have to agree to. And then you'll see your print balance, that's the amount of print credit that you currently have available. And also from this portal page you can access Moodle, which is our virtual learning environment, your student email, which is also tucked into a tab there. And you've got things like Office 365, Moodle as I say. If you did want to change your password once you logged in, go back to your desktop, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete again. Up where it's just a case of putting in the current one and the new one if you want to do that. Right, so how do you use this reset password thing should you need to? Again, if you're on site, you press Ctrl-Alt-Delete, but instead of putting in username and password, you take the reset password option, which is underneath. And this is where you put your student number in, click next, and then you will be given your 3 security questions that only you know the answer to. It will give you all 3, so make sure you've got clear and easy to remember ones, as I say. And I'll just go through it to prove it works. And then you get to set your own. So again, put it in, confirm it, and the criteria to the right there, so things like including numbers, not making it the same as your name, that kind of thing. So you can check whether it's like a legal one as such. And click finish when you're done. And that should mean your password's reset. So now to see whether our password really has reset, let's try it. We'll log in. Log in as normal, clicking the arrow to the right. And there you go, we're in. Now if you were off site and you wanted to do the password reset from off site, to portal.hull-college.ac.uk and choose password services. And the option you want is the bottom right one. I've forgotten my password and need to reset it. And if you click on that, or anywhere that you are, it will inform security questions that we've just done. So that is how you get yourself out of a password pickle.